E committee li kamnara keda kiranu ki rotin kotomono district loko Kalaki nesta daw erere honor e ponada le chantor kosodida Idaracan amunar ida daw ta chamunda ebe sirigin le kotunos e kotuniti e ministry kamnara keda kiranu ki rotin nesde per aingara ni kesi Lord Idaro Koraida District Engineer Loko District Loko Kalaki Francis Emalu Ngesalim da be sergim la dolti milon akwatangon kese kotu nete kesi kanokada Aitemoin Idaracan lude ejas aibo isho auni nwegidigita koto mono rotle nyone kidamakan eitoro surambaya alosit arucho in kedada district Loko Aleptong.
That is a Kum bridge. We need the Ministry of Works officials to come so that we can reassess. It is more than the district and needs more funds so that at this point we can have possibly a better bridge than just laying the culverts. We will also need the bigger culverts, possibly 2 meters high, because the volume of water that comes from the other side is so high. These small culverts cannot handle.
E minister li kamna keda kirono ko teso ko jaida ko tomono committee li kamna keda kirono kirotin ko district loko Kalaki ngesta bu ko cham ko bala daebe a kirono kada Aitemoni Idaracan lu e raunu chut akotun e ministry ngesta ingara ini kesi.
The challenge we have now, of course, is that the damage to that road is well beyond the capacity of the district to handle. Therefore, we are going to appeal to Ministry of Works to take up that road as a matter of urgency, especially because it links the district of Kalaki to Aleptong and to Amuria, and it's a major commercial road with the kind of damage you saw now, which requires millions, maybe 200-300 million to work on. The district cannot do it. So we are going to write a report and submit to Ministry of Works and see if they can help us. And I think you've seen, as we've been moving all the way from the district headquarters up to this point, that our roads are generally in a very bad condition.
Ko tutureke do kluda pot ko do to ko kaukanen Idaracan le gitigita ko tomono temlo ko gwolo kesda pot ko monaros e kalna kada alele ar kesi ko nyene rapolo ne chelo na kada committee li kamna kada kirono ki rotin ko district loko Kalaki Jennifer Ayo ngesda bu ko lim daiba da to kesangi chunda ebe e polationis na ide district bonus da mame perra down.
I appreciate what the government has done to give each district an additional 1 billion for road maintenance. But now I think to use that money effectively, a district like Kalaki needs to also get its own road equipment. Because if we don't have that, we are going to be waiting until the sister districts have exhausted their money before they can lend us their tractors. And so we end up losing money, which is taken back to the treasury. So we will now request that with that 1 billion, we can realistically maintain these roads better than we were doing before, if we had our own road equipment.
Iwaitin lukada ruchonukin kotomono tem loko ogwolo kusodi da araba nyono district loko Kalaki alomar o district loko Aleptong kusoda araba alomar district loko dokol araba Muria neskwanada erai atunis karaida itemtemi tapuga na jukani ngini district sirigin le dolte e billion te jope kotomna rero na budget kalo mami sirigin keche perete Aitemoin Idaracan lu arada bet Aitemon irotini cheda Michael Onyinge TV East ko Kalaki district.